experts, lobbyists, anyone who has an opinion on the bill at hand. In a normal committee hearing, the committee will hear approximately 3 to 4 bills. The legislature has to post which bills are going to be heard 5 days before they are heard, so the public has enough time to plan their testimony. If you're here in person, you will come to this table when your name is called by the vice chair, and you will have a designated amount of time to give your testimony. Or you could testify virtually, and your face will show up here on these screens.
Welcome, everyone. Hope you can hear me all the way in the back. Appreciate everyone being here today for the topping out ceremony. My name is Michael Marchand, Senior Director of Communications and Government Affairs for DSHS. Just going to go through the program today. First of all, love to thank Clark Construction for all their work on this event, as well as all the construction partners and all the craft workers who are here. Really appreciate all your work. The topping out ceremony marks a significant construction milestone. It is the final structural beam that is placed on the new building. And the project represents an important investment, not just in Washington State from a physical standpoint, but also from an emotional and mental standpoint. This is helping us with our communities. This is helping us with our people. This is helping us with our partners and with our clients. And it also represents the largest capital investment we have right now in the state. And it's going to create a modern behavioral health care environment designed to service our patients and our staff, not just for the next year or two, but for decades to come. So today we're going to have comments given by Governor Bob Ferguson, Secretary of Department of Social and Health Services, Angela Ramirez, CEO of Gage Center of Forensic Excellence at the hospital, Mark Thompson, and Senior VP of Clark Construction, Eric Olson. So after that, we're going to have the speakers come over and sign the final beam. And with that, I'm going to invite Governor Bob Ferguson to come up and speak. So thank you.
Thanks so much, Michael. Good morning to all of you, and it's great to see you all on this really incredible day. I first want to introduce my wife, Colleen, First Lady of Washington. I'm in a great mood today because she works full-time in our community college system. She's an educator, so we basically never get to have a work day together, but she's got the day off today, so give her a round of applause, the First Lady of Washington State, Colleen Ferguson. I'm also in a great mood today because we get to celebrate this really important milestone on this really critical project. I think it was like last October or November, in my first year as governor, I had the real honor of spending a week out here, learning about the work that goes on here, touring the construction site, seeing the progress that's being made, and to come back not that many months later and just see how much progress has been made. I mean, truly, for me, it's inspiring. And so this is really a chance to honor the hundreds and hundreds of workers who are working so hard every single day to build this really critical structure, these really critical structures. And it's not just a building or buildings, as you know. The work that goes on those buildings for generations to come will truly transform lives. It's truly some of the most important work that happens in our state will happen here. So for me, it's really an honor to be here to thank each and every one of you. And also because, you know, I can say that the 5 words that any governor most wants to hear about any project, especially a big complex project like this one, those 5 words are on time and on budget. And so far we're on time and on budget. And to Clark and Clark Construction, to all of you, that's a credit to each and every one of you for something of this magnitude. I'm so deeply appreciative of that important work that each and every one of you are doing. It's really an honor to be back here and just have a chance to say thanks to each and every one of you. And just once again, on behalf of my wife and our entire family, you know, we have a deep appreciation for how hard it is to construct something like this, and a deep appreciation for the incredibly important work that's going to be going on here that will literally help save lives and transform lives and help thousands and thousands of Washingtonians. So thank you to each and every one of you. Last job I have today is to introduce our next speaker, our head of DSHS, Angela Ramirez. And when I was talking to my wife last night, when we were going to be coming to this event, Angela, I was going through who the speakers are. And when I came to your name, I just told my wife what an amazing job that Angela has done in this capacity. I'm so thankful she's joined my administration. She leads an agency that does critical work for so many folks, and she does it so well at such a high level. So it's really my honor to welcome Angela to the stage. Please give her a warm round of applause.
Good morning. First, I'm a little shorter than our previous speakers, so can folks hear me okay? Okay, great. So I am so excited to be here because of today. Today is a milestone moment for behavioral health care in our state. This topping out ceremony represents more than just a construction milestone, although that's important. It represents a commitment, a true commitment to behavioral health care in our state. But while we talk about, the vision and the concepts and the ideas, as important as those are, what is really moving to me, why I'm so excited to be here with you guys today, is because this is about people. People are the folks that thought through this place, that had the vision of what this could be. People are the folks who designed it. People are the folks who are building it. People are the folks who are going to be served here and who will serve people here. So I got to start by saying thank you to the folks here, the high quality construction team, because of your skill and dedication. Thank you to the hundreds and thousands of people who are building this place. To the approximately 600 craft workers here today, you have spent countless hours to make this dream, this vision a reality. Clark Construction tells me that approximately 4,000, maybe even more than 4,000 labor force folks will touch this project at some point. That is amazing. And I really want to take the time, and I hope I can encourage applause, standing on my toes here at the microphone. I really want to take the time to say thank you to all of you, and please thank each other. I know this is a team effort. Thank you, guys. I also want to thank the employees, the DSHS team, the staff that works here, because you guys also made this such a success. The staff that worked here, they've been already involved in designing and thinking through this facility. Early in the process, and I'm so pleased working with Clark Construction and the team here that we were able to make this happen, DSHS employees had the opportunity to walk through mock-ups of a patient room before the hospital was built. DSHS employees, the workers here, could tell us what would work and what wouldn't work before building. They provided real-time feedback on nurses' station, bedroom layout. Changes were made, real-time changes in practice were made because of the team's input. So to the employees, my DSHS colleagues who took the time to make sure we get this right, thank you guys. I also want to thank the people in the community and the partnerships that we relied on to get today. To the contractors, to Clark, you're building a new hospital that will create opportunities for education, internships, and partnerships with local communities, with local colleges, to make sure the next generation of health workers have a chance. And to the communities partnering with them and with us, we thank you. None of this happens without partnerships and community. And finally, I have to thank my boss, obviously, the governor, who's driving us to today and beyond. Last November, as he mentioned, the governor and his team spent a week working at Western State Hospital, listening to staff, seeing firsthand the work being done every day. That kind of leadership and engagement matters. And today's success is a reflection of his leadership. As he noted, this project is on time and on budget, with the new hospital scheduled to be open to patients in fall of 2028. And when complete, it's going to create an environment where people can thrive. And of course, there's also a potential for savings to the state if we're able to achieve CMS certification. Under Governor Ferguson's leadership, we are striving not to just make today and this project on time and under budget, but also to be focused on what's to come, to be focused on quality and on time, under budget in the days ahead. So truly, thank you guys so much, not just for what went into today, not just for celebrating today, but for what's to come. It's with people that this work is possible. So thank you to everyone here. Thank you to everyone who's represented here, and on to the next. Oh, and I have one more job, lest I forget. I've got to introduce my colleague, my DSHS colleague, the CEO of the Gage Center, Mr. Mark Thompson.
Thank you, Secretary Ramirez, and I'm glad that we didn't do this in height order because it's perfectly fine for me. So I think part of me just wants to say ditto to the words and the accolades that Governor Ferguson and Secretary Ramirez intonated, but I also feel that it is my role to bring personalized thanks to Clark Construction and all of you who are sitting out here on this massive project, the work that you have done. So on behalf of all of the staff who work at Western State Hospital, and for those patients who are entrusted to our care on these grounds, both now and into the future, you have my heartfelt thanks. This new construction really is the fulfillment of a promise. And it was a promise to those people who work here every day, and it also serves as a symbol of the dedication that the state of Washington is committed to caring for all of its citizens, even those who find themselves in circumstances that require care to be provided on these grounds. As CEO, the safety of the staff and patients and the efficient and effective delivery of therapeutic care to our patients are always the highest priorities. And this new hospital provides an opportunity to continue that legacy of exceptional care in a state-of-the-art environment. It is my pleasure at this time to introduce Eric Olson of Clark Construction. And Eric, again, thanks to you and your teams for your ongoing work on this magnificent building. And thank you all again.
We're going to go for it anyway. Thank you so much. Honored to be here on behalf of Clark Construction. We're glad to be here, and I'm humbled to be here anyway. Thank you to Secretary Ramirez and Governor Ferguson for the introduction. I want to thank DSHS, our friends at DSHS, HOK, our design team partner, DES, and there's just countless other vendors and trade partners and supporters, administrative support that have helped us get here. If we remember, on October 16th, we sat right back there, which was our groundbreaking ceremony, and we committed to delivering a project that was efficient, that was safe, that was productive, and that would be on time and on budget. Not quite 2 years later, almost, we can say that we've done that. We celebrate the topping out of superstructure today, which is a great milestone, but we have a lot more to do. Shout out to our superintendent team for Clark, Don Pitt. On that day in October, we said July 29th, 2026, we would top out, and that is the day in our 15,000 line item P6 schedule that we topped out the structure. That's incredible work. That deserves an applause. But why? Why does that happen? 47 prime trade partners, 135 vendors and secondary third-tier subcontractors, 800,000 craft hours. And in the world of we think we can do it with AI or robots, this is the kind of work that can only be done with human hands. And we love that. We're proud of that. We should be proud of that. So it is the men and women who, with tremendous grit, dedication, and attention to detail, we all say thank you, but really don't understand what it's like to do that work every day, and we thank you for that. So while it's a great day, we have work yet to do. And so we are getting closer, but we look forward to pushing on towards the completion of this important building for the state of Washington. And we can then again commit that we will finish this project on time and on budget. And so thank you for the time. I am the last one. We can now invite Governor Ferguson to sign the beam, and if you'd like to sign the beam as well, which will become a permanent part of the building, we can queue up here and sign. Thank you all.
Sorry about that. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you did that very well too. Give him a good shake. Oh man, these are the pens. Yeah. Shake them with the point down. Shake them with the point down. Shake them with the point down. These are the pros. You want to sign it? Oh yeah, I'll give him one of these. Yeah, you got it. Got it. Okay. These guys are pros. We now have the pen shake. All right. This was in the PDF. So. You guys do, I'm not going solo. You guys got, I'm not going solo. Oh, I know. No. Let's get there together. Show me where you want. All right, Eric. Show us where you're doing. Yeah. Oh, I see. We got some samples. That's good. Okay. All right. I'll be the quick up and top of your round. Molly, come on over. What you got to do? I gotta try that a little more. You just open them up and then you take them up. They'll have a great shelf life. Hey, how are you? Great. Okay, great.
Yeah, cap down. Cap down. There you go. Judy! Oh my God, it's such a...
Go, come on, come on up. This one's ready, buddy. They did, yeah. See you work for me? I don't know.